All right, so let's continue with the availability policy type options. So to understand this, let me move to whiteboard. Now let's say these are hypervisors, and there are one or more VMs running on these hypervisors. Now hypervisor also periodically require patching and updates, and generally these are planned events. So let's say if this hypervisor has a planned event where it's going to update, it's going to reboot for its after the updates. As for the availability policy, these VMs can be moved or will live migrate to an alternate available hypervisor. Now, this is seamlessly happening. We do not have to intervene with it. In terms of outage, generally you can't notice this happening. That's why we call it live migration. Well, if you maybe do a ping to the machine and during which the migration happens, so you might lose a couple of packets. That's it, and it will resume immediately, kind of. So it's a seamless migration what it does for us. Now, other kind of issue that can arise over here is a hardware failure. Now, this box may get sudden heart attack or may die because of some disk or power or network or something like that. In that case, when this is completely not available, has gone down, right? These VMs, right, are again moved to an alternate hypervisor, but here they are hard rebooted. So in the sense is they you get a power outage in the kernel, and it restarts and then continues to serve the traffic. Right? So this is what is the availability policy which you see over here, right? So in the standard, you will see that it's going to migrate the VM and it's going to automatic restart in case of hardware failure events. All right. So that's about bit about the creation of VM interface. I just want to talk a bit about the billing model. The way it works is you're charged basically on per second, but for the first minute is charged even if the period was less than a minute where VM was running. After that, it's increment of seconds. So it's a per second billing model that is there based on the uptime. And what else? You also have some discount options which you get. You have spot instances, earlier known as preemptible VM. They give you a very drastic discount up to even 90%. The only catch with the spot instances, there is no guarantee in terms of its availability. So they are the unconsumed resources, and which are given away in spot. In case there is demand for on-demand, use of VMs, not under spot, so they get the priority. So VMs can be taken away at any point of time. So that's a catch with it. Besides that, you have committed discounts. Now, committed discounts is basically contracts and which you can sign. It's 3 year to 1 year, and that's the committed discount pricing. And this is for long-term contracts if you're sure that you're going to consume the VM over a period of time. So let's understand the sustained discount. Sustained discounts are based works is based on the duration in which the VM works, right? The discount is applied. So let's say this is the first week of the month. There's zero discount on it. After that, you get 10% discount for the consecutive next week. After that, you get 20% discount, and then you get 30% discount on it. So uh, this is how it's eventually applied based on the duration in which the VM was running. Right? So that's the idea behind the sustained discount. Percent Percentage of sustained discount may change based on the instance type and generation you are looking for. So that's something which you have to check in the documentation. Right. So this is varies. So here it is 30%. Here it will be 20% based on what you are using. All right. Thank you.